Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create and design your own greeting cards. I have chosen 8.5 by 11 paper size for my cards. You can easily print these at home without setting the margins. Now, from the elements, I will choose a beautiful background for the card. Then I'll place some relevant images to give it a proper look. And here is the first card. After printing it, you can fold it. For the second card, I'm using the full paper size to design a large card. Here is another folded card using frames. Use elements and background same as the first card. Here is the envelope template for you. Just print it on 8.5 by 11 paper and use for the folded card. Please like and subscribe my channel to get informed about my new design tutorials. Happy designing!